AppleCare One. Protect all your Apple devices with one subscription. In today's digital age, safeguarding our electronic devices has become a top priority for many individuals. Recognizing this need, Apple has rolled out an innovative solution designed to provide enhanced protection for its customers. On July 23rd, the tech powerhouse introduced the AppleCare One subscription service, a comprehensive plan that allows users to cover up to 3 devices under a single monthly fee of $19.99. Additionally, customers have the flexibility to add more devices to their coverage for just $5.99 each month. Apple emphasizes that this new service offers a streamlined experience, providing one-stop service and support from Apple experts across all of the Apple products in their plan for simple, affordable peace of mind. This means that whether you own an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that help is just a call away. Starting from July 24th, customers in the United States can easily enroll in AppleCare One directly through their iPhone, iPad, or Mac, or by visiting a nearby Apple store, as announced in a recent press release. Bob Borchers, Apple's Vice President of Worldwide Product Marketing, stated, "Built on the trusted foundation of AppleCare Plus, AppleCare One extends that same reliability and makes it easier than ever to protect the products you love and depend on, combining simplicity and exceptional value." What does AppleCare One cover? So what exactly does AppleCare One protect against? According to Apple, this plan encompasses all the benefits of AppleCare Plus, which includes unlimited repairs for accidental damage such as drops and spills, 24/7 priority support from Apple experts, and quick access to Apple's certified service. Furthermore, the plan enhances theft and loss protection, extending coverage not only to iPhones, but also to iPads and Apple Watches. How much does AppleCare One cost? When it comes to pricing, AppleCare One maintains a straightforward structure. It costs $19.99 per month, regardless of the devices included in the plan. This means that customers can enroll their iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch under one AppleCare One plan, rather than having to sign up for separate AppleCare Plus plans for each device. For those looking to add additional items, the cost is $5.99 per month for each extra device. Are existing devices eligible for AppleCare One coverage? For those wondering about existing devices, Apple has made it clear that customers can add products they already own as long as they are up to 4 years old and in good condition. To determine if a device meets the good condition requirement, customers may need to perform a diagnostic check using their iPhone or iPad, or they can visit an Apple store for assistance before adding the device to their AppleCare One plan. In conclusion, AppleCare One represents a significant step forward in device protection, offering a simple and cost-effective way for users to safeguard their beloved Apple products. But here's where it gets controversial. Is a subscription model the best way to ensure device protection, or do traditional one-time payment plans offer better value in the long run? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think AppleCare One is a game changer, or do you prefer the old ways? Share your opinions in the comments. Switching to AppleCare One. Get gift cards and simplified coverage. Switching from AppleCare Plus to the newly introduced AppleCare One plan has never been easier, and some users are even receiving gift cards as a bonus. On July 24th, Apple unveiled AppleCare One, a monthly subscription service designed to provide coverage for multiple devices under a single plan. This service includes support for a variety of Apple products such as the iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and more. The pricing structure is flexible, allowing users to add additional devices for a small fee. For those who currently hold an AppleCare Plus plan, the transition is straightforward. When you enroll in AppleCare One, you can cancel your existing plan, and Apple will automatically refund any unused balance as an Apple gift card. This means that not only do you get a new plan, but you also receive a little something extra to spend on future Apple purchases. Once your new plan is activated, you will receive an email notification, and the gift card will be processed automatically. No extra steps required on your part. Understanding the transition process. You might be wondering how to make this switch. Interestingly, Apple does not bombard you with notifications or alerts about AppleCare One. Instead, the option to switch becomes available when you access the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Simply tap on your name at the top of the screen, navigate to the subscription section, and if you qualify, you will see AppleCare One listed with an option to switch. The process is user-friendly and does not necessitate visiting Apple's website. You select your desired tier, confirm that your devices are in good condition, and agree to cancel your previous AppleCare Plus plan. That's all there is to it. Apple takes care of everything else, including issuing a refund for the remaining balance of your old plan in the form of an Apple gift card. You will receive an email once your new plan is live, and the credit is automatically applied, allowing you to use it just like any other Apple gift card. The basic AppleCare One plan starts at $19.99 per month for coverage of 3 devices, with the option to add more devices for an additional $5.99 each. It's important to note that while all devices must be in good working order, they do not need to be brand new. This new offering simplifies the coverage process across Apple's extensive product ecosystem, particularly benefiting users who own multiple devices. The added bonus of receiving a gift card when transitioning from older AppleCare Plus plans is certainly a perk that many will appreciate. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this new plan truly beneficial for all users, or does it create confusion with the existing AppleCare Plus options? What do you think? Are you excited about the changes, or do you have concerns? Share your thoughts in the comments below.